have a secret. My research has a split personality. On the one hand, I'm a classically trained engineer. But on the other hand, I study stream ecosystems and how to improve them. And by engineering a stream, you simply make it sicker. And on top of that, these small streams are everywhere. They make up 70 to 90% of all river miles on the planet. But because they're everywhere, they have this bad habit of getting in the way. So engineers move them and straighten them and bury them in pipes, say under the Virginia Tech drill field. So my research seeks to un-engineer stream systems. And to do this, I look at nature through the lens of engineering. For example, plant roots and the soil microbes exude this sticky substance that I like to call soil glue. And our research has shown that if you have plant root fibers and soil glue, the erosion resistance of stream banks doubles. Slay! With this type of information, future engineers will be as comfortable designing with nature as they will with concrete.